Hi, this is Eva from Wudkwency Artistry. If you are a woodworker or an artist, and you like to make the creative stuff by yourself, then this is the free printable scroll saw pattern of wooden stand for the laptop or monitor. You can download the free PDF file from the link provided in the description. The wooden stand helps you raise the laptop or the monitor to your eye level, thereby reducing the strain on your eyes, neck and your back at the same time. Imagine how much relief you can bring your body with just this one investment. The long hours that you would have to work would now be made easy. If you like this pattern, then give us a like and please subscribe to our channel to get the new content. Thanks for watching.